Good morning, class 6. Welcome, my lovely students, in Bright Future Academy. Today we are going to start exercise 3.3 rest of the questions. Okay, सबसे पहले मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ किन क्वेश्चंस को हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आज. हम करने वाले हैं स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to discuss these 4 questions of NCERT. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's come to first question. In first question, it is given. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 4 and 8. Students, you must be thinking on your mind that only 4 and 8. Why this 4 and 8 is given only? हम कुछ और भी तो ले सकते थे. ये 4 और 8 क्यों दिया है? ये ताकि आपके माइंड में ये चीज़ फिक्स हो जाए कि 4 और 8 का डिविजिबिलिटी जो है ऑलमोस्ट सेम होता है. ठीक है, 4 और 8 का डिविजिबिलिटी सेम होता है. ठीक है, 3 और 9 का डिविजिबिलिटी लगभग सेम होता है. ठीक है, तो इस टाइप से आपका दिस थिंग शुड बी फिक्स्ड इन योर माइंड. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज गिवन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द डिविजिबल बाय 4 and then divisible by 8. Divisible by 4, what was in that divisible by 4? We have to check last 2 digits. Okay, if last 2 digit is divisible by 4, 4 1 जा 4 और 3, 4 8 जा 32. Yes, it is fully divisible, no remainder. Okay, so 18, it is answer will come. Yes. Let's come to the next part, 8th. In 8th, what we have to check? We have to check last 3 digit. Again, we are checking 5 7 2 divisible by 8. 8 7 ja 56 and this is 12. Okay, so it is not 8 1 ja 8. 4 is remainder, so it should not leave any remainder. Clear? But it is leaving, so answer is no. Let's come to the next part. 3 1 7 9 5 0 7 2. First divisible by 4, what we have to check? We have to check only 2 digit, and 2 digit just check by 4. We have already checked in question number 1. Question number A part, it is divisible by 18, fully divisible by 18. So answer will be yes. Now 0 7 2. What is the meaning of 0 7 2? It's 0 7 2. It's meaning 72 only, because 0 in the starting, that it is nothing. Okay, so we will divide it by 8. 8 9 is 72. Okay, so it is also divisible by 8. Okay, question number 2, first part we have already done. Now again the same question it was, so I have written in shortcut. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following number is divisible by 6. So divisible by 6, what we have to check? It should be divisible by 2 also and 3 also. Yes, so let's check. Divisible by 2, yes. 4 at the last, yes. 3 at the last, no. Ab divisible by 3 we have to check. We will add it. 9 10 11, 11 or 7 18, 19 19 or 4 23, 23 or 4 27. So 27 is divisible by 3, 3 9 is 27, so answer is yes. So if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then answer will be yes. Now check it is divisible by 3 or not. 3 5 8, 8 is 16, 17 18 19, no. So answer is no. Okay, again we are checking 3 8 8 16 17, yes. Now we are doing divisible by 11. Okay, divisible by 11 also we know very well. Again we are repeating because it is given in your exercise number 3.3. This is question number 4, exercise 3.3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 11. So what we have to check in 11? Divisible by 11. First what we have to make? We will this 5 4 4 5. First we will write its places 1 2 3 4. Okay, now even places is 2 and 4. 2, the place of 2 is 4, and in the place of 4 this is 5. This is 9. Odd places. Odd places, 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is also 9. If we will subtract these two number, 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. So answer is yes, because answer should come in the table of 11 or should be 0. Okay, so it is 0. Answer will be yes. Let's come to the B part. B part, first we will check it. First we will write its places number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now sum of even places. We will add even places. How many? 2. 2 is an even place. In place of 2 this is 6. 4. In place of 4 this is 8. In place of 6 this is 1. 8 and 9. 9 or 6, 15. Okay, odd places. Odd places, 1, 3, 5, 7. Yes. In the place of 1 this is 5. In place of 3 this is 9. In place of 5 this is 3. In place of 7 this is 7. Now we'll add it. 9 and 5, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 and 17, 17 and 7, 24. Now we will subtract it. 24 minus 15 is how much? This is 9 and yes, 9. So it is divisible by no. Answer is no, because 9 doesn't come in the table of 11 or 0. Yes, it should be 0 or in the multiples of 11. Then only answer will be yes, otherwise no. Okay, let's come to the fifth question now. In fifth question, it is given write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that number form is divisible by 3. Okay, so first we will add these numbers. Okay, we have to, this is blank is given to you. In this blank we have to put a smallest and a greatest number, whatever the number is we have put. So if we are adding that number, so answer should be divisible by 3. That is given to you. Okay, this is 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4. We are adding it. Okay, 6 and 7 is how much? 13. 13 and 2, 14. 14 or 4, 19. Okay, so what we will add in 19 so that the number is divisible by 3, 10, 19, 20, 21. 2 we can add. Yes, 2 we can add. So smallest number is 2. Okay, then what else we can add? 21. How much? If we'll add 9, then we will add 4. 21, 23, 19 and 27 minus 19 is how much? This is 8 and this is, oh yes, the greatest number is 8. Okay, smallest number we will add, smallest number is 2 and then it will be divisible by 3. If we will add greatest number is how much? Greatest number 8 if we will add. 19 plus 8 is how much? 27. Okay. So if we will add 8 in this, then it will greatest number, then it will be 27. If we will add 8 in this, 27 it will be. So it will be divisible by 3. Okay. This question number 6 now. In question number 6, now we have to do the divisible by 11. Okay. This you will do by yourself. Students, I am giving you some homework. From homework, from question number 2, you will do all questions again from homework. Okay. Then question number 3, you will do all questions again. Okay. Then from question number 4, again all questions you will do from homework. Question number 5, also all questions. And question number 6 you will try. If you have any confusion, then you can ask me, but you will try it. Okay, this is your homework and we have completed exercise 3.3. Tomorrow we will continue with exercise 3.4. Okay students, so good morning my dear students. Do your work, and if you have any confusion you can contact me.